Yep, it's official. Cisco is sunsetting Webex Training Center. If you've been running classes on it, that probably makes you sigh, groan, or maybe even mutter a few choice words under your breath. And honestly, fair enough. Your virtual classroom isn't just another piece of software. It's how you actually deliver training, certify people, and keep programs moving. The real worry? Labs. For many organizations, the idea of losing labs, or worse, having to rebuild them somewhere else, feels like a logistical nightmare. Add in disrupted sessions and panicked instructors, and you've got a recipe for chaos. But here's the thing. While Webex Training Center may be going away, your training doesn't have to miss a beat. There's a better path forward, and spoiler alert, it's one where you keep your labs, migration is simple, and you actually gain more oversight and control than you ever had before. So why is Webex Training Center shutting down? In short, Cisco is shifting focus to Webex meetings and Webex webinars. Great tools for collaboration, sure, but not built for structured training. Truth is, Training Center hadn't been keeping up for years. No real innovation, clunky lab handling, and limited visibility for admins. Once it's retired, anyone still relying on it is just stuck. And waiting it out? That's risky business. Here's what doing nothing really means. Training disruption when your labs and sessions suddenly stop working. Learner frustration as you try to shoehorn classes into Zoom or Teams, like teaching calculus on a napkin. Increased IT overhead from stitching together video calls, file sharing, and labs. And lost visibility, with no meaningful way to track learner progress. The bottom line? Waiting doesn't buy you time, it just buys you trouble. So, what should you look for in a replacement? You'll want a platform that offers seamless migration support, lets you keep your existing labs, and runs entirely in the browser. No plugins, no installs, no IT fire drills. You'll also want oversight and reporting tools, a real virtual classroom with breakouts and quizzes, simple administration, materials management, and of course, a support team that actually picks up the phone. That's where ReadyTech comes in. With ReadyTech, you don't lose your labs. Migration is straightforward, guided, and fast. Most teams are up and running in days, not weeks. Learners join with just a browser link. Admins get full visibility and reporting. Trainers get engagement tools built for real instruction. And Axis, our admin interface, makes setup and scheduling a breeze, all backed by support that's with you every step of the way. So don't wait until the lights go out on Webex Training Center. Switch now, keep your labs, and upgrade to a platform that actually makes training easier. See how simple it is to migrate from Webex Training Center. Visit ReadyTech.com to book your free demo or consultation today.